We have about 200 patients on hemodialysis right now here in the Fort Smith Regional Dialysis Center, which is the largest in the state of Arkansas.
We were actually looking at getting rid of 2 separate cold water systems and trying to combine everything into one.
The challenge for dialysis units is to manage the resources appropriately. The Aqua A unit from Fresenius Medical Care is the right unit for us in terms of being able to reduce our water usage and also to reduce our electricity cost.
With ours, they were able to use our one system to take the place of both of these, and so it's a much more efficient system. There's much less work involved, and they don't have to deal with chemicals anymore.
Their treatments throughout their week-to-week routine were not impacted as we did this installation. So the patients, they won't see a difference. The staff itself will see a lot of benefits.
We took into consideration several different things. One thing was the capability. We have a 55 station unit and the Aqua A can handle 75 patients. So we know that if we want to grow, we could definitely grow with this Aqua A system. We use hundreds of thousands of gallons of water a month, and so this is supposed to really cut down on how much water we use, so we're really looking forward to having that savings.
The benefit for this clinic out of the Aqua A are the water quality we're delivering to our patients and the ease of use on the morning startup of the Aqua A. It pretty much runs itself.
We are saving approximately about 45 minutes to an hour's worth of time daily with the new system, with all the safety checks that are already built into the system, with the electronic board. They're not having to walk around the water room and look at all the modules. All of the information is right there at their fingertips.
The whole process of working with Fresenius Medical Care has been very well thought out. The service that we received from the company has been fantastic.
I like this system from the start, and the Fresenius Medical Care customer service has been outstanding.
Customer service is key. If you can't do customer service and do it in a timely fashion, then you won't survive.
The project management was great. The team that they sent to install was just top of the line. It went seamless.
I was scared about missing treatments. I really was. I had a lot of anxiety over that. Not only do we have to keep the water running, we've got to keep it cool, we've got to keep it heated, and everything else that's breaking in between. So yeah, there's a lot that went on, but we managed to push through, and we did not miss one dialysis treatment with virtually 2 clinics under one roof.
No treatments were missed due to this conversion. And it's just been a great collaboration to work with them, and we look forward to many future years together with Fresenius Medical Care.
A lot of the planning that went into this on both sides really resulted in almost a perfect installation. The Fort Smith team just did a wonderful, wonderful job. And we're looking forward to a whole lot more experiences just like we did here.